Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am flying into Auckland, New Zealand from Singapore in Singapore airline SQ287. In this video I am going to show you the whole process of landing, clearing immigration, what to declare at biosecurity and transport options to Auckland city centre. First of all, enjoy this beautiful landing in the biggest city of New Zealand. So guys, our landing was very smooth and now time to exit the plane. Singapore airline provided excellent service and the plane landed on time. Before going ahead, please watch this short clip which describes what to expect at arrival.
Fruits, vegetables and eggs like these can't be brought into New Zealand, nor can most meats, honey, cooking ingredients, herbs and seeds or spices. Anything made of plants or wood can carry unwanted pests or diseases that could destroy our natural environment. Put any items you aren't sure about in the airport amnesty bins. Used outdoor equipment is a problem too. If in doubt, declare for inspection on the arrival card. Or ask a biosecurity officer, like me. Because once you arrive, your bags may be x-rayed and inspected. And if you haven't declared, you'll be fined $400.
I hope you understand that clip. If not, no problem. I will explain to you. The first thing you need to do is to fill New Zealand travel declaration, including New Zealand passport holders. A declaration need to be completed for each traveler, including babies and children. It is free and you can do it online or on NZTD app. The earliest you can submit your declaration is 24 hours before you start your trip to New Zealand. A paper version of NZTD is still available for travelers who cannot complete it online. You will get this paper from your flight or at the airport upon arrival. So now we are going towards immigration and bag claim. You can see the beautiful paintings on the both side of wall which show you the favorite places to visit and eat in New Zealand. As you make your way from the arrival gate to the arrival hall, you will pass beneath a magnificent piece of Maori artwork crafted from 11 Totara logs and gifted to the airport by the late Maori queen. The carving takes the form of a traditional doorway and represents all the Maori tribes in New Zealand. We are walking towards duty-free shops and let's talk about items to declare before entering biosecurity. New Zealand Customs Service restricts or prohibits various items, including those pose biosecurity risks, are dangerous or controlled by other reasons. Declare all risk items like food, plants, wooden products, soil, water, outdoor equipment, and animal products. The most important one is a fresh fruit. Do not bring any fresh fruit, including the one you get from plane. If custom find even single piece of a apple or a orange, they will fine you 400 New Zealand dollars. Make sure there are no lemons in your water bottle too. If you're not sure about any item, then just declare it to avoid the fine. And if you do have any of the mentioned items above, you need to dispose them in the amnesty bin provided at airport before entering to biosecurity. Alia Duty Free store is located before custom and the baggage claim area. You can find the perfect gift including leading brand Johnny Walker, Jack Daniel, Chivas, Chanel, Tom Ford, and SK11, etc. At the end of duty free, on your right you will find passport control or immigration. I will see you after crossing immigration counter. Unfortunately, video recording is not allowed in this area. Immigration process only took around 5 minutes. You can use e-gates if you are 10 years or old and have an e-passport from eligible countries, or you can go to physical immigration counter. I was traveling with family, so I used family assistance counter. Now we are going down to collect our baggage. Claim. We are waiting for our baggage. Our flight SQ287 from Singapore to Auckland baggage is coming on belt 1. After collecting the baggage, we have to go to custom and biosecurity area for screening our baggage. So guys, custom is the last point you have to clear before going out of the airport. Here is your last chance to declare or dispose of any prohibited item if you are carrying with you to avoid $400 fine or even a prison. So guys, here choose the row accordingly if you have something to declare or nothing to declare, and according to your country of passport too. So guys, your bag is going to be inspected against what you declared in the declaration card here. They are not going to open your baggage. Instead, they will put all your baggage through the X-ray machine to find any risk item which you have not declared. For most people, you just picking your bag on the other end and getting on with your day. But if they do find something in your bag, then they will have more question about that. For example, if they found one apple in your bag and you declared none, you will get $400 instant fine, as they give you many chances and warnings to declare or dispose any risk items before entering biosecurity. There is lots of people say I didn't know, but unfortunately today is no excuse guys, so make sure you declare it. That's basically it. We have cleared biosecurity, and after that heading outside towards big crowd waiting for their loved ones. So now I would say welcome to New Zealand. So after you exit the airport, you will see the signs for drop off and pickup, domestic transfer, car rentals, car park, buses and shuttle transfers. If you want to transfer to domestic airport, then you have a couple of options to reach there. You can either walk to domestic airport for 10 to 15 minutes. To do so, just follow the inter-terminal green line walkway or catch the terminal transfer free bus which operates every 15 minutes from bus stop B in the transport hub. So that's it guys from today's blog. If you have any questions regarding Auckland Airport arrival process, then comment down below and I will try to answer them all. Now I will pick up my car from the parking and heading towards Auckland city center. If you like the video, then subscribe the channel to watch more travel videos. Till then, happy travels.